Hi, my name is Lizzie Ellis Furlong. I'm the Executive Director of the Durham Literacy Center. In 2012, the Literacy Center's Executive Director and Board of Directors did a capital campaign to buy this building. So we're really unusual in that we own our own 10,000 square foot facility here near downtown Durham. So one of our longtime volunteers is a man named Dan Oldman. And Dan saw this beautiful flat roof that we have here at the Durham Literacy Center, and he thought it would be a wonderful location for a solar installation project.
My wife and I are very concerned and interested in the environment. When I first saw this building, I said, wow, what a great place to put solar cells. From my financial background, I understand the challenges that nonprofits have to get funding and keep funding. And so it seemed to me that this was a case where maybe I could get some leverage of people who were interested in the environment and literacy and convince them that they would get a double benefit if they contributed. So that's what I did. I managed to find enough people to fund it, and the rest is history.
This is a way that we can really create financial sustainability for the Durham Literacy Center in the long term, and also sustainability for the environment to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. It just is a win-win.
We estimate that it costs an average of $1,200 a year per student for us to serve every single student in our programs. Having solar energy means that we're going to save a minimum of $5,000 a year on our occupancy costs here in this building, which means that that's an extra $5,000 plus a year that can go towards our programs.
In some respects, for the people who are donating, this is paying back on their own carbon footprint, their own lifetime carbon footprint. Worldwide, we have to change to a green economy, and so this is an important step in getting to that green economy.